Hello viewer, let's take the gradient here. To edit, I will take the different gradient for layer style. I will make a 3D line. So use to create a wine bottle there. We will wait for it. It may take few seconds to generate 3D wine bottle. As you can see how it is looking there on the screen. Now we will show you how it is looking there. Add different colors.